So this is Kosher Meal provided by Aeroflot, which I didn't eat. I'll be opening it and showing you how it is. Okay, so I've opened it upside down. Let me change. So this is the main side, Glad Kosher. It is mentioned in English and in Russian because it was given by Aeroflot. Cabin attendant instructions: serve this box to passenger unopened. After has opened the package, take the casserole for heating in oven for about 30 minutes and then return to passenger unopened. Serve no additional foods. So when you are getting kosher meal, then you are not supposed to get anything else. So we'll open and see what all is there inside. So this is how it looks from inside, and it has everything mentioned. First is the instruction. We hereby confirm that we have packed these food products manufactured by the India Kosher Catering Company, which we observe through our own supervision on an ongoing basis. All of the portions have been cooked in accordance with the laws of Bishful Israel. All of the ingredients and food products are kosher lemehedrin throughout the year, apart from on Pesach. The meaty chicken course is glad chalak. The rolls were kneaded in fruit juice and the blessing for them is mezonot. This certificate is valid only if the portion is served in a sealed package with a sticker. The hot meal is served in a tray wrapped, closed and sealed with a sticker. So this is an instruction which gives a seal that it is a pure kosher food, because it is all about the religion. So it is very, very important, and this is an amazing experience, seeing the seal of it and then opening and then gonna eat it also. Here you can see we have toothpick, we have kali mirch, which is black pepper, we have napkin, we have cutlery, which is knife and spoon. So the three things: matbucha dip, tahini dip and fruit cocktail, which I'm gonna open. We have this kosher bread, which is for sure very delicious, which I've eaten in Israel also. And this is the crunchy Nature Valley, which is more like a cookie, which you would love with coffee, which I'm gonna enjoy tomorrow. So I've taken it out from the box and we'll open it. This is tahini dip, which is very, very delicious. Everyone loves it. Fruit cocktail, which is easily available in Moscow also. And then we have matbucha dip, which is my favorite because of its flavor, and we'll open all of that. I've opened all the three dips which are given with the bread. This is the best part of it, which is a box with, I believe, rice and chicken. Let's see what is mentioned here. Yes, ingredients: chicken, rice, vegetables, spice oil, kosher in India, as we are coming from Delhi to Moscow. And here also there are instructions for the flight attendant, which are same, and the certificate of authenticity of its being pure kosher meat. So here you can see I have opened the seal of it, and further there is another seal. It's clearly visible that it is rice and chicken. And here also they have the instructions and the authenticity seal, and it's going to be an experience in it. I hope you people like this video. We'll keep showing you food of other flights also, what we would get to see in the night while going back from Russia to London, Madrid, from London and then to Mumbai. So I'm gonna eat this and I'll tell you how the food is. So first, this bread with the sauce, very tasty. The bread is very soft. It reminds me of Israel. It's beautiful, very tasty food. Very tasty food. That is why I kept it, so that I'll make the video and then I'll eat it. It's very delicious. Must eat, must try. Bread is amazing. I would like to keep this bread to eat it in depressing mode to make me happy. It is very delicious. I'm trying the third sauce. Wow, very nice, amazing. And the fruit salad. Wow, like always, it's a little sweet. The sweetness is very balanced. It is the sweetness of the fruit, no extra sugar is added. So this is Mayank showing you Kosher Meal, which is very important for Jewish people. For me, every religion is same and I respect that. If I have made some mistake, then please forgive me. Keep traveling, keep learning. This is the second box of the Kosher Meal. There's bread, then some sweet dish, some sauce, sweet dish, and 3 different sauces, which I'll just open and I'll show you. This is my Kosher Meal, made according to the rules of Jewish food. So this is all perfect for Jewish. It was properly sealed and I'm enjoying this in Aeroflot. This is chicken. All of this is part of my Kosher Meal. This is a very delicious bread. Here we have berry sauce. Here we have some salami. Another dip which is tangy and hot. And this is tahini dip, which is the most famous and the most delicious one in Kosher Meal. So this is all I've got in the box, and this is where we have the certificate of authenticity. So as I am in Aeroflot, so it is in Russian language. Usually you get it in both the languages. And this is the other side of the same certificate. It was properly sealed and it is looking very delicious. I'll taste it and I'll tell you how the food is.